I started searching on the website to see what else I could do, and I was pleased that I found Dentaprime, and the communication throughout the time were excellent, and they explained the whole procedure to me, so I felt comfortable to come over here. In all, I'm so happy to have everything done in a week, and I waited a few years to get this done, and to do it in 4 days, that's great. And I like to thank all the superb staff at Dentaprime, and I have no problems recommending Dentaprime to my friends and family. As I said, to have it completed in such a short time and in such a up-to-date technological place, I feel confident that I've had the best treatment that could be done for my age as well as for the condition of my teeth.